Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Ada, and today we're talking about traveling experiences and dream destinations.
Hi Ada. Hi everyone. Travel is such a popular topic, and it's really useful because we often talk about where we'd love to go or places we've visited.
Exactly, Jake. Knowing how to talk about travel helps you connect with people and share stories about your adventures and dreams.
Let's start with some key vocabulary. Words like destination, itinerary, and sightseeing are common when talking about travel.
Right, and phrases like bucket list mean places you really want to visit. For example, my bucket list includes Japan and Italy.
I love that. Also, travel light means to pack only what you need, so it's easier to move around during your trips.
Exactly, Jake. These words make your travel stories clearer and more interesting when speaking English.
Now, let's talk about some common phrases. For example, off the beaten path describes places that are less known but very special.
Yes, and people say red-eye flight for a late-night flight that arrives early morning. Have you ever taken one, Jake?
I have, Ada. Those flights are tough but save you time and money. Also, jet lag is feeling tired after a long trip to a new time zone.
Good point. Using these phrases helps you sound more natural when talking about your travel experiences.
Let's address some common mistakes. People often confuse voyage and trip. A voyage is usually by ship, while a trip is any journey.
Also, tour and travel are different. Tour means visiting many places in a short time, and travel means going from one place to another generally.
One tip is to remember go with countries without articles, like go to France, but go to the United States uses the. It can be tricky.
Right, and when you describe your trip, use past tense verbs to talk about what you did, like visited, tried, or saw. That helps make your story clear.
Let's imagine a real conversation. You could say, last summer, I visited Spain and tried delicious tapas. This sounds natural and interesting, doesn't it?
Absolutely, Jake. What about asking questions? You can say, have you ever been to a place that surprised you? It invites others to share great stories.
Yes, and adding details like, I love the colorful markets and friendly people, makes your story more vivid and engaging for listeners.
Don't forget body language and tone when speaking. Smiling and using a warm voice helps you connect better, especially in face-to-face talks.
To improve your vocabulary, read travel blogs or watch travel videos in English. This helps you learn real expressions and new words naturally.
Remember, practice is key. Try telling a friend about your dream destination or a place you visited. This builds confidence and fluency.
Great advice, Ada. So to summarize, use key vocabulary, past tense verbs, and natural phrases to share your travel stories confidently and clearly.